Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to highlight muscles in your fitness videos using CapCut PC. No paid tools required. Let's get started. Begin by dragging your workout video into the timeline. Move the playhead to the exact moment where you want to highlight the muscles. Click the Freeze button to create a freeze frame clip. Hold the Alt key and drag the freeze frame to a higher track to duplicate it. Select the top freeze clip and head to the mask section. Choose a shape mask. Then adjust its size and position to match the muscle contours. Add feathering to soften the edges for a natural look. Next, go to the Adjustment tab and open the Curves tool. Pick a vibrant color like red or blue and tweak the curve to intensify the highlight. For precision, return to the mask settings and refine the shape to align perfectly with the muscle group. Repeat the process for other muscles. Now, add motion to your highlights. Select the freeze clips and go to the Animations tab. Apply slide right to one clip and slide left to another for dynamic emphasis. Trim the clips to match your video's pacing. Finish with a smooth transition by adding a fade-out effect to each freeze clip. And that's it! Your muscle highlights are ready to make your workout edits stand out. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more free editing tips. Happy creating!